Hola, my dear amigos. Buenos días, buenas tardes, buenas noches. Today I'm bringing you a very interesting video entitled How to Say Don't Be Late in Spanish. And we're also going to see a few examples how to use this phrase. And if you hang around till the end of the video, I will practice with you in order to help you to improve your listening skills in Spanish. Hola amigos, Mr. Brigs here. I'm so glad to see you here once again. Now, a few things we need to remember before we start. Try to listen carefully to my pronunciation and repeat after me. So I'll pronounce the sentence, I'll do it slowly first, and after that I'll do it naturally, just like a native speaker would actually pronounce the sentence. So make sure that you repeat. It's very important. Okay, vámonos. 1, 2, 3. And by the way, subscribe. No tardes means don't be late. No tardes. No tardes. No tardes. Think about Doctor Who's time machine, the TARDIS. No tardes. Let's see a few examples. If you want to say don't be too late, you would say no tardes mucho. No tardes mucho. Don't be too late. No tardes mucho. Repeat after me. No tardes mucho. The next one is a similar phrase, but it's not exactly the same. If you want to say, don't be so late, then you would say, no tardes tanto. No tardes tanto. No tardes tanto. Repite, no tardes tanto. Let's see another example. Veamos otro ejemplo. Don't be so late completing your task. No tardes en completar tu trabajo. No tardes en completar tu trabajo. No tardes en completar tu trabajo. No tardes en practicar. Don't be late practicing. That's an additional one. Don't be late paying the bills. No tardes en pagar las cuentas. No tardes en pagar las cuentas. Repite. No tardes en pagar las cuentas. Let's review it. Revisemos. Don't be late. No tardes. No tardes. No tardes. Don't be late. One more time. Una vez más. No tardes. No tardes. Excelente. Muy bien. Fantástico. Excelente. Now we're going to practice our listening skills. This section is particularly a little bit more advanced, so my more advanced students will benefit a lot from it. But if you are learning, if you just started learning Spanish, hang around because this will help you to sharpen your listening skills in Spanish. Muy bien, here we go. We're going to put on our Spanish cap. Ready, here we go. No tardes en escuchar esta lección. No tardes en practicar esta lección. Tienes que procurar escuchar español de forma continua y regular. De esa forma vas a mejorar tu español muchísimo. Me da mucha alegría de que estés aquí en mi canal viendo mis videos. Te lo agradezco de todo corazón. Espero que no tardes en ver mis otros videos. Tengo cerca de 450 videos para ti. Velos, chequéalos y aprende español con el señor Brigs. Muy bien, amigos. I hope you were able to understand most of what I said. And if you didn't, don't feel discouraged. This is why we're here to practice, to improve on a daily basis. I hope that you enjoyed this video. Thank you so much for watching. And don't forget to subscribe. If this is your first time watching one of my videos, My name is Mr. Briggs. I'm a qualified registered Spanish teacher and I upload videos, yes, todas las semanas. Every week there's a new video. Please click that red button and I hope to see you very soon. Please take care, cuídate mucho, and I'll see you next time. Ciao, ciao. And before I go today, I wanted to give my special thanks to David Layton for your super thanks. Thank you so much, David. You are such a wonderful subscriber and friend. You're a real amigo. Thank you so much for supporting the channel. I also wanted to thank Inez. The same with you, Inez. Thank you so much for your kindness. You make it possible for me to continue improving my videos. Maria Raw as well. Thank you so much for your super chat. Thank you for your contribution. Yvonne Derricote. Is it Derricota? Thank you so much. My dear amigo David, thank you so much for always supporting my channel. I wanted to thank Kathy Burnett as well. Thank you so much, Kathy, for your super thanks. Jenny R, wonderful. Thank you, my dear friend. I really appreciate it. And also, The World According to Ali. Thank you so much for your contribution. By the way, Ali's got a beautiful channel. Check it out. Make sure that you check it out. David, thank you so much for your unconditional support. Thank you, my dear amigo David. I really appreciate it. And Alex, thank you so much for your contribution. Every time you click on the thanks button and contribute $1 or $2, you make it possible for me to continue producing free videos for you. So thank you very much, my dear amigos. I really appreciate it. And to thank you for your super thanks, a little bonus. And here's a little bonus material for my most unconditional followers that stay till the very end to watch the video. I've been thinking about doing vlogs as well in Spanish in order to help you with your language. Tell me, what do you think? Should I do it? Let's practice our Spanish.
Aquí vamos caminando por el gorge, no sé cómo se llama esta cuestión. Y seguimos caminando.
I love traveling and finding about new places, getting to know new people. I was thinking maybe I could incorporate this to our Spanish lesson. Let me know what you think. Leave a comment.
Estoy justamente al ladito de ellos, no estoy menos de un metro prácticamente y no hay problema. Están muy tranquilos. Este está moviendo la cola, a lo mejor me está diciendo no te creas, así que mejor me corro. Qué calor. Aquí estamos con los canguros atrás, se pueden ver todos, tremendos, muy grandes. Ahí va uno corriendo por atrás mío. Ahí va corriendo rápidamente. They got freaked out. He's coming. Go close. It's ready to take off, so I want to be very gentle. He's coming. I think they go, oh, something different. Oh no, same old food. It's so cute. They're very soft, fluffy. Yeah, beautiful. Like a teddy bear. They're cute.